Hey guys, welcome to this Allen and Ginter unveiling 2023. Product came out like a week and a half ago. Let's rip one of these and find out. On Facebook, SMC Brakes. eBay, SCCON_24 to find all of our braking details. I like to do the brakes right from the Facebook group. eBay just takes too much money. But either way works. Right now we have a brake for Allen and Ginter on eBay and available in the Facebook group. Still the American League East available. I have it by division. Alright, so we got the oversized box loader. Check that out in a little bit. I'll rip into these packs. And today is September 29th. September 28th. So go ahead, jump on eBay. Check out those last three spots. It's the American League Central, National League Central, and the American League East. Big division. A lot of polls available. Go right on the Facebook. SMC Brakes on Facebook. Jump right in the chat and grab what you want. Looks like we have one of the filigrees, or why not? Arenado, Tucker, Nimmo, Alvarez, Strasburg, Robinson. This is Denard, Shoelace, Robinson, filigree. Who's this? This is Manoa, Alec Manoa, and Fun and Sun Snorkeling. All right, Ramirez, Schwarber, Chambers, Buxton, Castillo, Verlander, the little black one, Adam Ray. These are hard to get. And Vladdy on the playback. What is this called? Oh yeah, spotless. I thought they were playback or something. Looks like they're spotless. All right, old time hockey. There he is. We got a buyer for that one right away. Wander Franco, Hugh Darvish, Sanga for the Mets, Swanson, Blackman, little Philadelphia action, Liberty Bell, and the violin. All right, Green Machado, little baby, Corbin Carroll. There's a pull right there. That vision's available. Blantiff. There's one of our hits. Who the hell? What the? Are you kidding me? The Mud Guy? Oh my God. Albert Pujols and Felix Hernandez. Fucking gee whiz. The Mud Guy? That's our hit? I know we got something nice coming along though. Let's check it out. Hey, is that Grayson Rodriguez? That's a nice one. Harper, Jack Bradley, my man Brown. That's Hunter Brown. Aaron Judge. Pasquantino, and that's Alvarez. Jordan Francisco Alvarez. And that is the Golden Eagle right there. Golden Eagle. Check us out on Facebook. SMC Brakes. We're ripping one of these, a break for these right now. Grab your spot. American League East. American League Central and National League Central is available. Hader. Votto. Marte. O'Connor. Little Mr. Perez. Dave Ortiz. Schultz. Kyle Schultz, Willie Mays. Let me get the Mattingly like this. Son pulled the Mattingly. That's who I collect. All right, Levis. Oh, that's the Will Levis. That's the college football quarterback. Frank Thomas, Miss O'Brien, Nina Schwarber, Hawkins, Mayer. Who's that? Who's that? Bear Mayer. Fun in the Sun is Pina Coladas, and Rod Carew, Hall of Famer Rod Carew. There we go. Here we go. Try to move these along. Crone, Joe DiMaggio, John DiMaggio, Myers, Nestor, Bobby Witt Jr., Greg Maddox, The Great Barrier Reef, Chipper Jones. What do you think of these? Drop a comment, man. What do you think of these? They're brand new. I kind of like them. I'm digging it. Some nice, fun stuff in here if you pull something fun. Some cool stuff. Anytime there's Mattingly's back in the assortment, I'm all over it. Guerrero, Bo Jackson, Willie Mays, Nito, Posey, Clark. Is that on Clark? The Vulture and this guy, Daniel Von Kirk. Daniel Von Kirk. I'll try to get this video within 15 minutes. Get it up on eBay. I mean eBay. Oh, YouTube. Zool, Corbin Burns. Is that Bryce Young? Bryce Young, Stowers from the Orioles. Oh, Hoppy, Randy Johnson. Rookie card of little somebody over here. Felix Hernandez in the blue. Matthew Liberatore. Oh, yeah, okay. Looking for our auto. I think the cover card under there, that bigger card, I think those could be autographs too. All right, Pujols, Rappaport from TV, Wade Boggs, Wheeler, Ray, who's Ray? Adam Ray, Raggins, the Bongos, and Jeter Downs. That's cool. Mini rookie, right? Yep. Jeter Downs. You can check out my break positions on eBay. They're cheaper on Facebook. eBay, SCCON_24. Baldwin, Verlander, Mr. Thompson, calling Mr. Thompson, Zach Thompson. Ms. Bell, Mandy Bell, Dave Winfield. That's a purple with a blue, Barry Zito, and Bob Gibson. Wow. So eBay, all the breaks always there. They are cheaper if you just buy them flat out in the Facebook group. Rollins, Bez, Jameson. Hey, Mr. Gorman right there. Nolan Gorman. What is this, who is this, Allen? Hoodie Allen. Right on. Beach soccer. Roast lamb. I'll try that. Beach soccer. Roast lamb. It'd be nice if we get an auto for the third hit. Mr. Somnot, Jace John, there you go. How Rise Bichette, Mitchell, ooh, Garrett Mitchell, Mr. Guerrero, Bryce Harper, and Ozzie Smith mini. I was hoping the heavier box. This one was significantly heavier than the others. I was hoping that'd be like a metal plate. Stone Street, Hendricks, but 2 jersey cards. Nope, that would do it. Well, materials. Montplair, Chapman, Nito, and the Sparrowhawk. So it's the 28th, 6:44 p.m. We got a break listed in the Facebook group, SMC Breaks. Gunnar Henderson, Ruiz, Ryan Howard. That's the quarterback, Anthony Richardson. That's the girl that is the football player, Bella Ramison. Larry Walker. Dapgata and Willie Stargell. Go over to Facebook, search the public group, SMC Breaks. You can jump right into the break. There is a listing. You just comment on who you are, obviously who you are, and what position in the break is available you're taking. Venmo, Cash App, Chisholm, Jr., Nicholas. Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal are available. There you go. Michael Harris, Tony Gwynn, Rendon, The Harp, and Tim Wakefield. Couple packs to go. And we got it done Mattingly finally. It'd be sweet if it's autoed or numbered. Edmund, Mr. Small, McGuffin, Kirk, Mullins, Lofton, the Mattingly, and this golden one. 20 strikeout game. There's the Mattingly. Take those all day. Let's go. Nelson, Ichiro, Grissom, Jarnduran, Altuve, Horner, Chavez, and the Condor. The Condor. My brother's waiting for Andy Van Slyke to come back into the assortments. Hey, ooh. George Brett, Rollins, Jimmy Rollins, and Curly. Andy Van Slyke of the Pittsburgh Pirates. 1988 All-Star, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there's something here. There's a framed in here. Jackie Robinson. Rip card is fantastic. Meyer. Gonzalez. Henderson. What? Acuna Jr. framed. This thing is nuts. Framed Acuna Jr. jersey. Wow, that's sweet. Gotta slab that. Holy. Wakeboarding. And Lee. Corey Lee. Well, there's a box with no autos in it. Glasnow, Terrain, Yawn. Who the hell's Yawn? Captain Sandy Yawn. Morel, Cabrera, Pujols, Zoot, George Springer. The little baby autograph would be a nice pull. That'd be something. Goldschmidt, Robert, Soto, Rizzo, Apotaka. Nothing like two Apotakas. Meneses. I got he pulled his auto in the previous break, last week's break. Tops, I believe it was. O'Connor, the Lear. All right, jump on over to Facebook. SMC Breaks. Jump in the break. Class, Wasserman, Clemente, Blood Day. I have his auto available. Langs, Miss Langs, Sarah Langs, Bo Jackson, Shohei. Nice. Anaheim. All right, not too bad. The stuff is pretty cool. I like it. I can't wait for the Chrome to come out. That'll be pretty sweet. SMC Breaks on Facebook. We have affordable breaks going right now. So hop on over, check it out. SCCON _24 on eBay. You can see all the breaks we have listed when they are listed. Oh, let's rip this box topper too. There's the advertisement. Let's see what the heck is in here. Tuna Jr. Your auto. Congratulations, you got a big card of a Tuna Jr. Oh, Kona. Big ass card of a Kona Jr. How am I going to mail these out? All right, folks. Thank you. Come check us out. See what we got going on. Promise a good time.